Welcome. Today, I'll show you how to allow a group owner to add users on Telegram web using your PC following the latest update. If you're managing a Telegram group and want to take control of who can join, this guide is for you. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Telegram web. Log in with your account credentials if you haven't already. Once you're in, look for the group where you are the owner. You'll find your groups listed on the left sidebar. Just click on the group you want to manage. Now that you're inside the group chat, direct your attention to the top of the screen. Click on the group's name to open the group info panel. Here, you'll see all the details about your group, including members and settings. Next, find and click on the edit icon, which looks like a pencil. This will take you into the group settings menu, where you can make changes to how your group operates. In the settings menu, locate and select the administrators section. This is where you manage who has admin rights and what they're allowed to do. Since you're the owner, you should see your profile listed at the top. Click on your profile under the administrators list. This opens up your owner permissions. Here you'll find a range of options that control what you, as the owner, can do within the group. Find the option labeled Add Users. If it's not already enabled, simply toggle it on. This grants you, the group owner, the ability to add new users directly to the group. After making this change, don't forget to click Save to apply your new settings. That's it. You've successfully updated your group permissions, allowing the owner to add users on Telegram web. This update makes group management more flexible and puts the power in your hands to grow your community as you see fit. If you found this walkthrough helpful, consider sharing it with other group owners who might benefit from these tips. Thanks for watching, and enjoy managing your Telegram group with these new features.